Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to lock and unlock keyboard in Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. So first is you just have to press and hold the shift option at the right side of your keyboard for 8 seconds. Then you'll be able to see this prompt. So just click on yes. So let's try if the keyboard is working. So as you can see, I cannot type any letter since the keyboard is locked. So in order to unlock the keyboard for us to use it again, is we just have to do the same process. So let's just go back here and then press and hold the shift key again for 8 seconds. And then after 8 seconds, you will be able to see this prompt again, and you will then just have to click on yes. And when we try to use our keyboard, as you can see, we can now provide the letters. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.